When you're taking cuttings of rosemary, does it matter whether you take a small size cutting or a much larger one? Well, back in the spring, my daughter picked me some flowers from the garden and she put them in a jar of water. And as decoration, she added huge, great big chunks of rosemary for the foliage. And being her, she just ripped them off the bush very roughly and shoved them in the water. And after about 2 or 3 weeks, we were surprised to find that some of these very large branches with very old wood had rooted. So that was back in about March or April, and it's now July. Here is one of the ones that rooted. Not all of them rooted, but some of them did. Compare that to, here is a small cutting that I took about 2 years ago. That would have been the size of a different variety of rosemary, whereas this one on the left would have been this larger size or bigger. So as an experiment, we tried it again, and here's how it went. These have been in water about 3 weeks, just in water. We have roots on 1, 2, nope. Yes, it's just a little bit. Can you see that? A little bit of root on that one. 3. Nothing on those 4. This is the one that's done best. Okay, there we go. There's good roots on this one. That one's going to be fine. It's going to grow more and it will, yeah. So we have roots on 3 out of 7. So that's not bad odds. And I think because looking at the size of these two, if you've got a mature bush and you need to make large plants quite quickly, this is only a few months old, then I think in future I'm going to be tempted to go with the bigger cutting.